Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to answer the questions that, of course, have arrived since we have started talking about 21H1. So, to remind everybody, first of all, the first question is how can I get this? Is it already done? 21H1 is in the insider rings. That means that if you want this, you have to go into the insider program and join in the beta channel. It's not available for regular users. If you're on the standard Windows 10, the latest version of Windows is 20H2 or the October 2020 update. That's where everybody is. This is insider only right now. It is going to be released in a couple of months, probably in April or May, and it's just that it's being tested right now. 21H1 is the first of two updates this year. It's a very small update that will come as a cumulative update and will install quite fast in general for most users. The second question, if I go in the insider program and test this, is it safe? First of all, I do not recommend anybody go in the insider rings unless you know how to reinstall Windows. That's as simple as that. If you are in the regular channels. But if you know how to reinstall Windows, if you are planning and want to take the risk, you can go and check it out. What you need to do is go into your settings, into update and security, and on the bottom left, so if you go into settings and you go into update and security, on the bottom left you have Windows Insider Program. Here you can say join and you can choose beta channel. That's what I have here. That's what I'm testing right now. So just to know that that's the way it works. As for the question of how big this update will be, what's the size, it's probably going to be quite small. Since it's not a big feature update, it's not going to be in the gigabytes. This update is probably going to be a few hundred megabytes, and that's it. So if you're on a limited connection, this is not going to take a lot of your data when this arrives. And like I said, it shouldn't take too long to install on most PCs. The other question, what are the new features? Right now, there's really nothing different than 20H2. We don't expect to have much difference anyways, because the core of this version is the same as 20H2, which is the same as version 2004 or 20H1. So these are three versions that are shared pretty much with the same basic functionalities and same code, with just a few little differences here and there. So that is something to know. As for the features that we'll have or will be new in here, right now we have no hints of anything new. We're not sure if there's going to be a little, something new or not, but if there is, we will eventually know about it and we'll talk about it here. The other question is my PC capable of running this, or am I going to reach the end of Windows 10 updates? A lot of you actually are commenting because you are using old PCs that have many, many years. And so one of the things that stress you out every time there's a new version is this going to be the last one I'm going to be able to install? 21H1 shares the exact same signature of devices and the exact same hardware requirements than the May 2020 update, the first version that was last year. So if you run the May 2020 update, or if you're on the October 2020 update, you are running 20H1 when it arrives without any problem. Other question, is this a version that we will have to install that's going to be pushed on us, or is it optional? This is an optional update unless you are at the last leg of your Windows 10 support. What that means, if you're on the May 2020 update, this will not be pushed on you. this is going to be an optional download. If you're on the October 2020 update, this once again will be an optional download and install in the Windows Update. If you're on 1909 and 1909's end of support is coming up in May, and this actually gets out before, well, that will be a version of Windows that's going to be forced on you, because after the month of May, you have no more security updates, and it's important to know that. So these are some of the questions that I've received that I wanted to answer. And once again, right now, the official version you should be on is 20H2. 21H1 is only for insiders in the beta channel right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.